I'm gonna be using a brush to apply the blush. I'm gonna be using the brush to apply the blush. Kasi, mas gusto ko na precise yung application ng brush. Blush. Ano ba? Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing this super easy and super quick na everyday wearable makeup with Detail Cosmetics. If you haven't seen yet, I actually have an ongoing giveaway wherein one of you can win this full PR set of the Powder Pout. Kaya if you're interested to see me do this look and if you're interested in joining the giveaway, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on all my social media channels, comment down below, and stay until the end of the video para makita nyo kung paano kayo mananalo nitong giveaway. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, so let's start off by priming our face. Yung gagamitin ko is the First Aid Beauty na Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. This is very moisturizing. Tas may konti siyang sheen. And then, paset lang natin ng konti. Tapos, we're gonna go on to our skin tint. For my base, I'm using the Pixi H2O Skin Tint in Warm. Since we're going for a very everyday wearable na makeup, mas gusto ko na less coverage lang siya. More on parang evening out the skin tone lang yung ginagawa nito. So, hindi talaga siya nagko-cover ng mga blemishes or mga discolorations. Tapos, we're just using our fingers. Tapos, as always, we're gonna color correct our under eyes. Yung gagamitin ko, Charlotte Tilbury na color corrector in medium. Tapos again, konti lang yung nilalagay natin, nothing too much. For concealer, we're using the Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Natural Beige. Tapos, prime na rin natin yung eyes natin. Then, set natin with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Tapos, for the eyes, we're gonna be using the Detail Cosmetics na Sunset Dream Palette. So, kukunin natin tong medyo mas cool tone, medyo mas neutral na brown. And we're gonna put that all over the lids. Ilalagay din natin siya sa lower lash line. Tapos, ilalagay natin sa inner part of the lids, papunta sa middle part, medyo middle part, yung shade na to, yung shimmer. Tapos, we're just gonna use our finger. Pinaabot ko na rin siya dito sa my inner corners kasi yun na yung highlight shade natin. Then, we're gonna take the first shade again, tapos i-intensify natin ulit yung outer lids, tsaka i-blend out natin siya. Tapos, I feel like creating a soft wing today. So, yun yung gagawin natin. We're taking this dark shade, tapos, gagawa tayo ng soft wing. And then, blend natin ng konti. Basically, yun na yung for the eyes. I'm just gonna curl it and then put on mascara. I'll be back. Yan, all done. Ginawa ko na rin yung brows ko off-cam. So, if gusto nyo makita yung tutorial on how I do my brows, I'll link it up here. You can watch that. Yun yung in-depth na tutorial. So, yun. Ngayon, let's go to the face makeup. I will be bronzing my face first. Gagamitin ko yung Butter Bronzer ng Physicians Formula. So, wala. Alam nyo naman kung paano ako mag-bronze. Hindi sobrang precise. Basta kung saan lang usually nagko-contour dito. And then a little bit dito sa forehead. And then, yun. I just use a fluffy brush. Nakalimutan ko na gagamit pala ako ng cream blush. But usually, you should do your cream blushes first before yung powder bronzers. But okay lang kasi I'm gonna be using the Issy & Co. na cream blush and stunner. And it works well naman when layered on top of powders. So, yun yung gagawin natin. I'm also using a brush to apply it para lang mas precise palalo yung application natin when it comes to the brush. I'm gonna be using a brush to apply the blush. I'm gonna be using the brush to apply the blush kasi mas gusto ko na precise yung application ng brush. Blush. Ano ba? Basta yon, gets yun na. Tapos this one, the Stunner shade, it has a subtle glow na. So kahit hindi na tayo mag-highlight, it's fine. And then, let's take the bronzer again. Tapos gamitin natin siya pang set ng blush. And para din mas blended yung itsura. For lips, we're gonna be using yung bago ng Detail Cosmetics, which is yung Powder Pout. And I'm using the shade na Ray. There, so this is my everyday wearable makeup look with Detail Cosmetics. If you are interested in joining the giveaway, you can check my last video. Ililink ko dito. Here's the picture. Tapos, check the mechanics there. Pero if you want extra entries, you can leave comments down below and I'll count them. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on all my social media channels, comment down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!